Goli, the city of gold. Johannesburg, thanks to Johannesburg Water, could also be known as the City of Water. Over 3 million people, some 650,000 customers in all, receive potable fresh water every day from Johannesburg Water. The organization, wholly owned by the City of Johannesburg, has been providing water and sanitation services to the city's residents since 2001 and has an annual turnover of 1.6 billion rand. Johannesburg's fresh water comes to the city from Rand Water. We distribute up to 900 megaliters a day of water through almost 10,000 kilometers of underground pipelines, 87 reservoirs and 33 water towers to customers. This precious resource comes out of the tap so clean that Johannesburg Water is holder of the Blue Drop Award. Johannesburg Water serves its customers through 7 regions. Reservoirs are spaced throughout the city. Waste treatment plants are situated in the north and south of the city. The largest of these, the Northern Wastewater Treatment Works, cleanses up to 410 megaliters of effluent a day, discharging the clean water into the Jukske River. Processed sludge is dried and then sold as fertilizer. At the Grootkoppie's wastewater treatment works in the south, Johannesburg Water creates reusable energy, with the methane gas given off during treatment being used to power the plant's boilers. Pumping stations move fresh water and separately sewage. It is a particular challenge to supply water to the upper floors on Johannesburg's high-rise buildings. This pumping station at Rosettenville, which supplies water to the city centre, is capable with each of its 3 pumps of moving 1,500 litres of water a second at 11 bar. Our specialist technicians at 3 laboratories monitor every single facility every few days. The more than 500 tests a month ensure that Johannesburg Water keeps its Class 1 rating as one of the purest drinking waters in the world. At Johannesburg Water's head office central control room, staff monitor all the organization's infrastructure in real time, 24 hours a day. The creation of regions ensures rapid and local response when there are water bursts or equipment breakdowns. Johannesburg's water and sewage supply pipelines were put underground almost 100 years ago, with a life expectancy of 50 to 70 years. It is a tribute to our repair crews that these pipelines are still in service. Where funds permit, these old water and sewage pipelines are being replaced. In Soweto currently, major sewer upgrade projects are underway. In Alexandra, sewers are being upgraded in challenging, tight conditions. In the rapidly growing city that is Diepsloot, the contract has been signed to make a major upgrade of the sewage system. Fresh water supply pipelines are being renewed across Bryanston, Fourways and Randburg. In Buccleuch, engineers are drilling down 10 meters so that a new fresh water pipe can be placed under a river. In Annandale, a massive brown sky in the earth marks where 9 kilometers of a fresh water supply pipe is being laid, fed by 2 new reservoirs and a new pumping station in a 100 million rand project. The growing needs of another new community, Cosmos City, have been met with a new reservoir. The Lanseria area is growing so fast that new freshwater systems are due to be put in place to cope with the area's expanding needs. A 300 million rand expansion of the Bushkoppie waste treatment works to the south of the city is underway. This and a similarly large expansion project at the nearby Olifantsvlei plant demonstrate planning for the future, specifically for the anticipated future needs of the residents of Soweto and surrounding businesses. In the north, the Driefontein wastewater treatment works is being expanded not only to deal with Western Johannesburg's needs, but also to cope with the expanding population of Mogale City. Plans are underway to install biogas plants similar to those in Europe and the US to create sellable quantities of reusable energy. The challenges looking to the future are increasing. The aging infrastructure under this city is literally crumbling, and there's an urgent need for more funds to replace it. The number of residents here in the city, which is Africa's powerhouse, is exploding, and there's an equally urgent need for funds so they can all be supplied with water. But with the limited resources available, Johannesburg Water is achieving real results. In the past few years, upgrades in Soweto alone have resulted in a 79% drop in unaccounted for water. Throughout this world-class African city, Johannesburg Water is rolling out the purest form of service delivery, truly both now and into the future, exceeding the government's mandate to provide a better life for all.